budgeting beauties, welcome back to another video of mine. I'm just coming at you with spending my $10,000 saving challenges money that I have saved up for. So if you watch my last cash stuffing, I've completed these two challenges. And they have a tune of $10,000, which I will leave here. So we're just going to go straight ahead and just spend this money. And then we've got this one. Okay, so we are done. I'll actually move them behind just in case I need $5. Okay, so that is $10,000 right here that I will be spending throughout my binders, and you guys will get to see if you're interested, so stay tuned. Okay, so in this binder I want to go into the last envelope, which is my holidays, and we will be going to Melbourne next year. So for the tickets plus hotels and everything we want to do, we will be putting in $4,000 into this envelope. So $4,000 into my holidays. So that is done. Can't believe it, we just spent $4,000 into my holidays. How crazy is that? So that is done. These 4,000 here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, will go into my savings that is in my bank account. And what we're trying to achieve is that my plan is to pay off my bills, well, all of my debt, which we have with consumers. So that's done. And now we are trying to build up our savings money so that if something was to happen to my partner, we have 6 months worth of his paycheck that he receives now to sustain us for the next 6 months when he does, if he resigns or something happens to his position. So 4,000 is a great way to start that savings account. So that is spent already. Now we have $2,000 here. So let's go to my Bubs binder, and this is pretty much, I'm calling it the round up stuffing. So I'm going to try and round up to the nearest 0 in each envelope that I've chosen to round up in. So my bub has 1,000, 20, 40, 50. So we're just going to add another 50 to that. So now it has $1,100. His birthday will be receiving 1, 50, 2, 20, 40, 60. So $40 more and he'll get to 300. So I'll put that there. So 600. I think I need change. So I'm going to take these 520s and give him 100. So 300. School has 20, 30, 40. So I'm going to give him $160. So 150, 60. So now he has 51, 50, 70, 80, 90, $200 to kickstart next year in the school envelope. So next we have wear, and wear has 10, 25, 30. We will be giving it $70. So 50, 20. So now it has 50, 70, 80, 95, $100 to kickstart next year for his clothes. So you kind of get the gist of what roundup cash stuffing is all about. Rounding to the nearest zero. Doesn't need to be $100. It can be, you know, 20, 30, whatever denomination suits you guys. So sports has 50, 70, 90, 110, 20, 30, 45, 50. So sports will be getting 150. So now it has 1, 50, 2, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95, $300. Brain will be receiving $50. It has nothing. So a 50 in there. Toys has nothing as well, so it will be receiving $50 to kickstart that envelope. Party will be receiving, let's see, 15, so $85 to make it to $100. I need change, I think. So put that there and put another 50. So 100. And body has 10, 25, so we will add $75. So I need change. So I'm just going to put 100, 250s. So we are done with the first binder for roundup cash stuffing. Okay, so on to his binder. So his envelope will be receiving $100. So he will be getting 100 in there. His birthday has 25.30, so let's add $20, so he has 50. Done there. Beauty will be receiving, let's see what Beauty has, nothing. So Beauty will be receiving 100. Dental has 500, 6, 7, 50, 70, 90, 100. And what we're going to do is we are going to put 200 in there to make it $1,000. So I'll just add 1,000 here. Okay. Clothing has nothing, so clothing will be getting $100. Shouts will be receiving, there's nothing in there, so Shouts will be receiving 100. So we are done stuffing his binder. Okay, so onto my binder. So I will be receiving in my envelope $100. So that is done, 100. My birthday envelope has 31. I'm just going to get rid of this one because it's super annoying. I'll put it in my coin jar. So birthday will be receiving $20. So now it has 50. And I can't swap it with a bigger 50 because I'm limited with that denomination. Beauty has 20, so I'm going to put 30 to make it 50. So now it has 20, 30, 50. And this is just a voucher to a beauty salon, beauty spa in Darwin. Dental will be receiving $100, so it has 1,000. So 1,100. Clothing has 20, 40, 50. We will add $100. So now it has 1, 20, 40, 50. 150. Charity has 5, so it will be receiving 15. So now it has 10, 15, 20. Hobbies will be receiving $200, so 50, 70, 90, 5, 100, so 200. So we'll make it with 50 to 20s and a 10. So now it has 51, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 200. Was that $100? Yes, so another 100, sorry. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So now it has $300 in my hobby envelope. So that is how I spent close to $2,000 of my savings challenge. So this should be close to 500. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, 500 for his dental, and these are the leftover. So we're just going to add this to the savings account. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85. So $85 that we didn't spend of our 10,000 savings challenge. So thank you so much for joining me in this round up bill swapping plus spending 10K. I hope you guys enjoy it. It is something that I do want to introduce into the next year of the roundup cash stuffing, because it's super fun just to zero out some of the envelopes. So I hope you enjoyed it, and that was the easiest 10K that I spent. Really easy. So I hope you guys have a really good holiday. See you then. Bye.